that angle on these guys. I'm not sure where they went though.
Probably them.
Yep. I don't know if they.
Might be somebody else. How did they kill him? You saw that?
Yep.
Traded. Think. Yeah, traded.
Yeah.
Still red?
Yep.
I don't know if that's the same guy. I think it was.
Come to me.
Someone above.
Sound like they're
Lit him on fire.
I hit him again. Got him. Put ammo there if you need it.
Hit him. It's probably burning.
Traded.
Nice.
My barrel was like,
One just died.
I hit the red shirt. Throwing a grenade over.
I'm blocking.
I'm blocking.
Throwing a grenade in. I hope that doesn't hit one of y'all. I hit somebody. Got one. this guy missed me. That guy was awful. There's another guy down south.
Ah! He's top again.
Was that a necro or something?
Yeah. Hit him.
I'm behind you. Got him. I don't know if I blocked your angle or not.
No, I'm really glad I picked up that big dynamite bundle.
Yeah, me too. Here's another one. Both down to the right from you. Got one. Revenge on the guy that killed me. There's another one down there. No game.
Ah! Got a bar block my shot. Nice try.
I killed another one, but whatever. Close. Tagged one. Got one. Got a heal.
Other side of the fence.
Barrel. I don't know if that killed him. I think it did. Hit him. He's burning. He's running towards me over here. Got him. Oh my God, why do I always get stuck on shit in the middle of a gunfight?
He's charging you.
Did I get him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, do we push? Kane character.
I got one. The other, his buddy's right on top of him. Hold up. Yeah, back here. I got a bleed on him. Dead. Somebody else's other side of the compound.